Hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back.
We are very happy to see you again.
Yes, thank you for joining us today.
Today's topic is very easy and very useful.
That's right. Today we will talk about our house and our room,
My house and my room.
a topic that everyone can talk about.
Because everyone has a house, an apartment, or a room.
Exactly. Maybe your house is big.
Maybe your house is small.
Maybe your room is very clean.
Or maybe your room is not very clean.
Oh no, are you talking about your room?
Maybe.
Everyone, if your room is messy, don't worry. You are not alone.
Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.
It helps us make more easy English lessons for you.
Thank you very much.
Now, let's begin.
First, let me ask you a question.
Yes?
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
Good question.
Listeners, think about your answer.
House or apartment?
I live in a house.
Oh, nice.
My house is not very big.
But it is comfortable?
Yes, very comfortable.
That's important.
A house does not need to be big.
Yes.
It needs to feel like home.
I like that.
How about you?
I live in an apartment.
Really?
Yes, it is on the 5th floor.
Do you like apartment life?
Yes, I do.
Why?
Because it is easy to clean.
That is true.
And there is a nice view from my window.
What can you see?
I can see trees and mountains.
Wow, that sounds beautiful.
It is very beautiful, especially in the morning.
Listeners, what can you see from your window?
Can you see trees?
Can you see buildings?
Can you see cars?
Think about it.
Now let's talk about rooms in a house.
Good idea.
A house usually has a living room,
A kitchen,
a bathroom.
and one or more bedrooms.
Let's repeat together.
Living room,
Living room,
kitchen,
kitchen,
bathroom,
bathroom,
bedroom.
bedroom.
Very good.
Which room do you like the most?
For me, it is my bedroom
Why?
because it is quiet.
Ah, your private space.
Yes,
What do you have in your room?
I have a bed.
Of course, a bedroom without a bed would be strange.
Very strange.
Anything else?
I have a desk.
Nice.
I also have a chair.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I do.
Do you study there?
Yes, I study and work at my desk.
That sounds nice.
I also have a lamp,
A lamp is useful.
especially at night.
Do you have a bookshelf?
Yes, I do.
How many books do you have?
Too many books.
There is no such thing as too many books.
My bookshelf disagrees.
Poor bookshelf.
What about your room?
My room is simple.
Simple is good.
I have a bed, a desk, and a closet.
What do you keep in your closet?
Mostly clothes.
Mostly?
And some mystery items.
Mystery items?
You know,
No.
old bags,
Okay.
a broken umbrella,
Ah,
3 empty boxes.
why keep empty boxes?
Because maybe I will need them someday.
That day never comes.
Probably not.
Listeners, what do you have in your room?
Do you have a desk?
Do you have a computer?
Do you have a bookshelf?
Can you describe your room?
Try using simple sentences.
For example,
My room is small.
my room is clean.
My room has a window.
I have a desk.
I have a bed.
Very easy.
Very useful.
Now let's talk about the living room.
The living room is where families spend time together.
Many people watch TV there.
Some people read books there,
Some people take naps there.
especially dads,
Yes, many fathers fall asleep on the sofa.
while watching TV.
And then they say,
I was not sleeping.
I was resting my eyes.
Classic dad answer.
In my living room, there is a sofa.
There is also a television.
Yes.
Anything else?
A coffee table,
Nice.
and some plants.
Plants make a room feel alive.
Yes,
Do you like plants?
I do.
Can you keep plants alive?
That is a different question.
Oh no.
Sometimes my plants become memories.
Poor plants.
How about your living room?
I have a sofa and a television.
Do you watch movies there?
Yes.
What kind of movies do you like?
Comedy movies.
I like comedy too.
Laughter is important.
Yes, it is.
Now let's move to the kitchen.
The kitchen is one of my favorite rooms
Mine too.
because food lives there.
Exactly. The kitchen is the home of food.
In my kitchen, there is a refrigerator,
A stove.
a microwave,
A sink.
and many cups.
Too many cups?
Definitely too many cups.
Every house has mystery cups.
Where do they come from?
Nobody knows.
Listeners, let's repeat.
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator,
Stove.
stove,
Microwave.
microwave,
Sink.
sink.
Excellent.
Do you cook?
Sometimes.
What can you cook?
Rice.
Good.
Eggs.
Very good.
Instant noodles.
Excellent survival skills.
Thank you.
I enjoy cooking.
What is your favorite meal to cook?
Pasta.
That sounds delicious.
What is your favorite meal?
Listeners, tell us in the comments.
Now let's visit the bathroom.
Not literally.
Yes, only in conversation.
In a bathroom, we usually have a sink,
A toilet,
a shower.
sometimes a bathtub.
Do you prefer showers or baths?
Showers.
Me too,
They are quick and easy.
especially in the morning.
Now let's talk more about our bedrooms.
My favorite topic.
Is your room clean?
Usually.
Usually?
Okay, sometimes.
What about your desk?
My desk is clean.
Your floor?
We do not talk about the floor.
Ah, yes, the clothing mountain.
Exactly.
Many people have a chair for clothes,
Yes.
not a chair for sitting.
A chair for clothes.
The famous clothing chair.
Do you have one?
Maybe.
Everyone has one.
Listeners, do you have a clothing chair?
Be honest.
Now, let's practice some useful sentences.
Repeat after us.
My house is small.
My house is small.
My house is big.
My house is big.
My room is clean.
My room is clean.
My room is messy.
My room is messy.
There is a bed in my room.
There is a bed in my room.
There is a desk in my room.
There is a desk in my room.
I have a window.
I have a window.
I like my room.
I like my room.
Excellent work.
You are doing great.
Learning English takes time,
But every day you improve a little more.
and that is wonderful.
Before we finish, let's ask a few questions.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
What is your favorite room?
Is your room clean or messy?
What can you see from your window?
What do you have in your room?
Can you answer these questions in English?
Try your best.
Even simple answers are good answers.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed this conversation.
And we hope you learned new words.
Please like this video and subscribe for more easy English lessons.
And tell us in the comments.
What is your favorite room in your house?
And why do you like it?
We would love to read your answers.
Take care, everyone.
Keep practicing English every day.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.